snacks, almonds. Who's eating almonds as snacks? But I gotta lose this stomach, okay? I gotta give real baddie in Costa Rica. Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another vlog. And if you're new here, girl, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can tell, my name is Daisha, and girl, we do a lot of things up over here, okay? But to start off the morning, I have my hot lemon water. I know y'all probably like, girl, you got that from TikTok. No, girl. The crazy thing is, whenever I ran out of tea bags, this was around the time that the Chinese morning routine started almost popping or whatever. I ran out of tea bags and I was like, dang, I got hot water and lemon, I might as well. And I had already did this before I got my tea bag. Then I start seeing this like this Chinese routine. I'm like, oh, you know, I was onto something. And y'all know whenever y'all think that y'all the first ones to do something and then like your bubble get bursted, like, no girl, that been a thing. Yeah. But anyways, I'm on this 22-day anti-inflammatory diet. I just started like today. So let me show y'all what it consists of. So me and chat made this up, by the way. My chat name is Cody, okay? So he made this whole thing for me, 22 days, because that's really how long I got until my next vacation. I'm starting late, but whatever. So it told me my grocery list. Y'all know I get my groceries from HEB. I don't know if you could see. So he just made me a little bit of those. And the crazy thing is, bro, I forgot what, I mean, I say bro, but the crazy thing is I forgot the strawberries, blueberries, apples, and oranges. Wait a minute. They didn't bring my pineapples. I gotta go check that. That's crazy. But yeah, so he made me a little grocery list. Some of the items, like I said, I did not get. And then it has my day 1, day 2, all the way to 22 days. And so I'm just gonna try to follow a strict diet. Yeah, I'm gonna just try to follow a strict diet for 22 days. It's gonna really be hard, but like snacks, almonds. Who's eating almonds as snacks? But I gotta lose this stomach, okay? I gotta give real baddie in Costa Rica. So in a few, I'm gonna make me some oatmeals. And since I don't have the blueberries, I have the chia seeds, so I'm gonna try to do it with bananas, because I got the bananas. And then I do have me some drinks that, you know, is anti-inflammatory, the Lakewood collection. So yeah, but enough of that, because we eating healthy, girl. We getting this body right. Don't mind a dog. I work today. You know, it don't seem like I work today, but look, I'm working from home today, okay? As usual, per usual. I was gonna go to the clinic today, but I'm not. You know, it was raining, gas too high. Text my one client that I was gonna go see at the clinic. Let's do virtual. Thank ya. So, and the way my computer is, it's not gonna see my entire outfit. I might change it to something that I feel like is maybe more professional, but honestly, my job really does not, my sessions don't really require that. But right now it's 9:35. I slept in because of the rain. And so I've been talking for like 3 minutes. So let's go ahead and get my day started. I'm gonna call y'all back in a minute.
Tell me that she couldn't get this thing. She can
girl, I haven't checked in with y'all because today has been a hectic day. Why did my man just put this ladder right here? But it's been a hectic day. I literally just had a crisis, and a crisis over telehealth is actually wild because there's nothing much I could do while, anyways. But I'm about to cook dinner in a few. It's 7:20. I'm just not getting off. And I showed y'all what my friend got me. She got it sent to my house. She stay in Dallas. But yeah, so we having some salmon and rice, and I believe the thing said broccoli. I'm gonna do more therapist day in the life's better after a while. I just have to get a groove on things because my schedule be hectic, honey. Like, it's to the point where my friend just sent me, I don't know how she even did this. She sent me a calendar thing. So that way, whenever I have stuff in my calendar, not my clients, by the way, but like personal life stuff, I put it in there. And I may do like a section like, oh, I work from this time to this time. So that way, y'all know I'm not responding to y'all type shit. But yeah, it gets to that point. One thing I don't like about this DJI is like, it makes me look a little weird. But yeah, I'm about to cook in a few, girl. This vlog, this day in the life or whatever I'm doing, is gonna be pretty short. It's just getting my feet back out there on YouTube. And yeah, I mean, I've been working back to back to back to back. So y'all know how it is when the therapist got her sessions back to back to back. So yeah, I'm about to clean up a little bit, cook dinner, and then I have some documentation I need to do. And I just started on Lost. Because, girl, they didn't come out with a From episode. So now I got that actor, now I got to watch something else with him. He's so good. So, yeah. I'm going to talk to y'all in a few. Ciao for now. There you go. If you're looking to find a love that will stand till the end of time, baby, relax your mind. Love's here. One thought of love and I'll say, oh baby.